Most people don't realize that their mornings are a psychological battlefield. In the first 20 minutes after waking, your brain enters the theta state, a hypnotic phase where the subconscious is wide open. This means your very first action literally programs your behavior for the rest of the day. Psychologists call this the dominance cascade. Your first decision creates a chain reaction of habits, either towards strength or weakness. Neuroscience also proves that morning rituals reshape the brain. Gratitude lowers cortisol and raises dopamine, rewiring your reticular activating system to notice opportunities instead of problems. Self-talk imprints identity. Say, "I'm tired," and your subconscious obeys. Say, "I'm unstoppable," and your behavior shifts to match it. Even stillness has power. Studies show just 10 minutes of meditation shrinks the amygdala, fear center, while strengthening the prefrontal cortex, your decision-making weapon. So, the dark truth is this. Your morning rituals don't just shape your day, they reprogram your destiny. Control them, and you control everything that follows.